Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to change your network adapter to be part of a public network or a private network. So you can have it be a private network if you want to enable file sharing and printer sharing, and you can have it be a public network if you're at a cafe or a coffee shop so that everything stays secure and you don't have to worry about anybody gaining access to your printers or your files. So let's jump over to the computer and I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go down to the bottom right corner and click on your network adapter and click on network and internet settings. Once that opens up, you want to click on Ethernet on the left side, or it might be Wi-Fi in your case. And then you want to click on the network that's connected. Once you click on it, you can choose between public network, which is one where everything is secure. You don't have any of your files, your folders, or your printers being shared with anybody else. Or you can change it over to private. And a private network is where everything can be shared if you want it to. Your folders, your files, your printers, anything you want to share with somebody else because you trust everybody on that network. Hope that was helpful. Until next time, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you then. Bye.